Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Rajasthan's traditional and famous dish Dal Bati. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cook Dal Bati Dal in Instant Pot and Bati in oven. To make Dal Bati Dal, take 1.5 cups of split green moong dal and half cup of yellow moong dal. I am making this for 5 people, so adjust the ratio accordingly. Soak these dal in water for 2 hours. After a couple of hours, make sure to thoroughly wash dal with clean water before using. I'm going to use Instant Pot to cook this dal. Add soaked dal in Instant Pot with 5 cups of water. Half teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of salt. Adjust salt according to your taste. Give it a stir and put the Instant Pot lid. Cook dal for 5 minutes on manual mode. While dal is cooking in Instant Pot, let's get started with the masala ingredients that will go in dal. 3 deseeded tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of ghee, few chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of whole cumin, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keep the flame on medium to low. When ghee melts and is hot, add whole cumin, ginger, and minced garlic. Stir it well, then add chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well. Add about quarter to half teaspoon of salt so the tomatoes get cooked fast. Also add our red chili powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. Mix it well so the ground spices get well combined with tomatoes. Wait till the oil gets separated, like this, but do make sure to stir occasionally. Then add garam masala and give it a good mix. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. When oil is separated, turn off the flame. Masala for dal is ready. Our dal in Instant Pot is ready as well. So open the air vent and then open the Instant Pot lid. This is how dal should look. Mine turned out a little overcooked, so I would recommend to put the Instant Pot on 4 minutes instead of 5. Add the masala mixture in the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna gently stir just because this dal is little overcooked. Adjust the dal consistency according to your preference. I'll add an additional half cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee on top and chopped cilantro. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and do hit that like button down below. Now let's prepare bati. For bati, take 2 cups of wheat flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, and 4 tablespoons of ghee. Mix all the dry ingredients together, but be sure to crush fennel seeds and carom seeds in between hands and then add them in flour. Add 4 tablespoons of ghee and mix everything. After adding ghee, the flour needs to be in this consistency. Add about quarter cup of water and make a tight dough. Then smoothen it out with just a teaspoon of ghee. Make a small sized ball about a centimeter thick, just like this. Press it in the middle so bati gets evenly cooked. Make all the batis like that and place them in the tray. I'm going to use toaster oven and I'm going to cook these batis for 10 minutes on both sides on air fryer mode. You can also cook bati in oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes on both sides. Once batis turn golden brown on both sides, they are done. Now in a bowl, take quarter cup of ghee and add all batis into it. Toss them in ghee when batis are hot. Let's plate. Place batis in the plate, or you can roughly crush or break bati and pour hot dal on top. Garnish it with some cilantro and serve it hot. A perfect yet easy recipe when you have guests over. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give it a try and leave a comment whether you liked it or not. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. You can also follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe video.